Let's prove the trigonometric identity that secant A over cosine A minus tangent A over cotangent A equals 1. We'll break this down step by step and use some key trigonometric relationships along the way. Before we begin the proof, let's review some key relationships using the unit circle. In a unit circle, secant A is the reciprocal of cosine A. Tangent A is sine A over cosine A, and cotangent A is cosine A over sine A. We'll use these relationships throughout our proof. Now, let's begin our proof. We start with secant A over cosine A minus tangent A over cotangent A. First, let's recall that secant A is the reciprocal of cosine A. So secant A over cosine A is the same as secant A times secant A. Next, we substitute secant A for 1 over cosine A in the first term. In the second term, we know that 1 over cotangent A is the same as tangent A. This simplifies to secant squared A minus tangent squared A. Now, here's where we use a fundamental Pythagorean identity. Secant squared A minus tangent squared A equals 1. Therefore, we have proven that secant A over cosine A minus tangent A over cotangent A equals 1. Let's summarize the key steps we used. First, we used reciprocal identities to rewrite the fractions. Then, we simplified the expressions using basic algebra. Finally, we applied the Pythagorean identity for secant and tangent. This proof demonstrates how understanding basic trigonometric relationships helps us verify more complex identities. And that completes our proof of this trigonometric identity. Thank you for watching.